A convenient method for many taxpayers to pay their return balances and estimated taxes due the IRS, states, and cities is through direct debit transactions, where funds are electronically withdrawn from their checking or savings account. In Drake, use the PMT Electronic Funds Withdrawal screen to set up direct debit payments for a taxpayer. From the General Data Entry tab, open the PMT screen. Account number 1 is the primary account for a payment of a federal balance due, federal estimated tax payments, and a state balance due. Make the appropriate selections from the Federal Selection drop list. To pay only federal estimated tax, select E. To pay both the federal estimated tax and the return balance due, select Y. Use the State and City Selection drop list for payments to eligible states and cities. For payments to more than one eligible state and city, select A for all state or city eligible tax types not included elsewhere. Enter the financial institution account information and type of account. Select the appropriate forms to which the federal payment applies. The return or extension amount owed will be used by default for the federal payment amount. Use the override field to change the default payment amount if needed. When setting up federal estimated payments, select each quarter for which the payments should be made. Federal and state payment dates default to the return due dates. Use the federal and state requested payment date override fields to change the default payment dates if needed. The taxpayer's daytime phone number in the Name and Address screen will be used by default. Use the override field if a different phone number is needed for payment purposes. Complete account number 2 and account number 3 as needed for payment of additional state balances due only if withdrawing from a different account or if overrides are needed. Federal payments cannot be made from these accounts. Once all selections have been made, exit the screen. It is important to always review each direct debit transaction before e-filing by going to the Transaction Summary page in View mode of the return. For more information, go to drakesoftware.com.